Hello once again, guys, and if you're new, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Ollie_Sadler TV. Here you see me putting the peas, the red kidney peas, in the pressure cooker, and that will be pressuring for about 15 minutes. And that's the beginning of my rice journey. That's my breakfast there, 2 boiled eggs. Yeah, I don't eat a lot of breakfast, but yeah. So I'm just switching around the cooker and leaving my peas. So right here, what I'm doing, I have taken the pea from the heat, the pressure cooker. I've opened the pressure cooker, and I'm checking to see whether or not the peas is soft enough. As you can see by just looking on it, you can see that the peas are not cooked. When the peas are cooked, it has probably a more darker, smoother. Do you see that way? Right. Compared to that one, which the color is more lighter, you can see it doesn't have a smooth texture. So I've checked my pea after about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna put it back on the cooker for it to do its thing. So remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe for more videos, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. So yes, that's my rice and peas. Now I've added the seasoning to the rice and peas. So I've added my onions, my garlic, my country pepper, otherwise called scotch bonnet pepper, my thyme. I put a bit of maggie seasoning and a bit of all-purpose seasoning, and yeah, add it to your taste. I don't really add salt to my rice and peas, because to me the seasoning have all the rice. So that's my coconut. I'll be doing a video on how to take the coconut out and how to get the cream from the coconut. But yes, back to my rice and peas. I've seasoned up my rice and peas, and now it will be ready for the rice to be added within this pot in a few. So that's just gonna cook for a bit more with the seasoning, and make everything bubble and come in together, and all the taste, the stir up the taste bud, and the coconut cream melt out tonight, and all of these things. So yeah. But yeah, as from my rice and peas, so here I'm just sauteing some onions. These onions will be added to my oxtail. So after I pressure my oxtail, I normally just saute a bit of onions, to bring out that flavor, and then I will add that for the cook down, when I cook it down and thing. Yeah. So guys, here, what am I doing here now? I think, okay, I am still I'm still a brown stew. I'm still stewing my oxtail for it to soak in all the lovely flavors and all them lovely things there. So that's what I'm doing. So the seasonings are going cooking it. We don't want to add a lot of water at this stage, because at this stage is where you want everything to mellow down and bubble down and come together, and all the taste come together, and all these things. You don't want water it down, because it not going to taste good. But I am so proud of myself with cooking, guys, because I haven't started. It's recently since I started cooking. I started cooking like about 8 to 9 years ago. Prior to that, I was not in the kitchen. I wasn't brought up that way. We always have a helper at home, or a maid who does the cooking. And apart from that, when I was an adult, I always had partners that love to cook. So they didn't have that problem with me not being able to cook. It's just now, well, a few years back, I'm thinking I might have to go on YouTube and step up my game. So really and truly, where I learned to cook on YouTube. When I say I couldn't cook, I could cook things like rice and tin mackerel and maybe some chicken back ackee, and those foods I was able to cook it, but not this mouth-watering, tantalizing, salivating, not those kind of cooking. I'm just, yes, I have arrived now. I have arrived, and I'm so proud of myself. I am so proud of myself, guys, because I couldn't cook before. I couldn't cook all of these things before. Now I feel comfortable enough to cook any Jamaican, because one thing with Jamaican people, they are very critical of how you cook. But no, girl, feel nice. I can cook for any Jamaican person now, and I know that they would love my meal because they would say, yeah, this is authentic. So watch my oxtail coming down. That's my oxtail. So I'm adding some more water to the oxtail because the meat is not as, you need to get the meat tender, and the amount of water will depend on you. But me personally, I just put enough water that is gonna cover the top of the meat. You see, like how it's still like that. Yeah, I don't want to add too much water, so I'm gonna cover it down for it to pressure some more. Okay, guys. So here I'm checking the peas, the rice pot. So, because I changed the pot because I needed the pressure cooker to put the oxtail in. So the rice is now in the pot. Bubble pata bubble, bubble pata bubble. Everything seasoned up and nice. And the only thing that's left is for me to measure the amount of rice and then add the rice to the water. As you can see there, guys, I'm just washing the rice that I'll be using. I think I'll be using 3 cups of rice. I think one. Let's count. I did one, and that's another one, and I'm coming with another that look like half. I need some more. Get more rice, girl. Anyway, she decides that she don't need no more rice. So let's see how it look. I'm sure that she have to go through have some water out of pot, but anyway, that's my rice there, and I'll just be watching catch bumper. Yeah, girl. Anyway, let me not get distracted. But yes, reach us so fast though. So what we're gonna do now? We're gonna add the rice to the pea, and then let it bubble. Let it bubble and simmer and come down, and then you know that the rice is ready. So what I'm doing here, I'm just emptying the rice into the red kidney bean that has already been seasoned. Yes, it has already been seasoned, and you know it's a bubble down a wait for the rice to add the rice to it. So it's time for that now. So your girl is just here. I'm just adding the rice to the red kidney, to the rice and peas. We make it become rice and peas and thing. So yes, we get out all of the rice out of it. I don't want to lose one rice grain. So now I'm just mixing everything together. Mix. I'm mixing everything together, and as you can see, it looks like it have the right amount of water. Yeah, it seems to me that I might be on point. Where as I was saying, I was on point. The water was okay. So that's my rice there simmering down at the back, and I am about to check my pressure cooker, the steam. You see how difficult it is to open. You have to make sure all the steam is out from your pressure cooker, because you will burn yourself if you try to force the lid open before it's time. So I'm checking my oxtail to make sure that it is coming on tender the way that I like it. So guys, if you like this video, remember to like, share and subscribe for more of these contents. You know, I've been on YouTube for 12 years, and when I just started YouTube, I did videos, and I was so afraid to post those videos because I was so... But anyway, I was going over my YouTube channel, and I'm thinking, no, I need to post my videos and be active on YouTube, because it doesn't make any sense here on a platform for so long and not using it. But here we go again, back to my rice and peas, guys. Guys, this rice and peas came out so lovely. Look at Shelly rice. You see my rice is nice and Shelly. We don't like to cook pot rice. We don't like to cook safi rice. We do not like to cook pudding. We like when our rice is nice and Shelly, and we can count the grains one by one. So yes. And another thing, I don't like when my bottom of my rice burn. I do not like when my rice burns. So what I do, once I get the red kidney beans and the everything is all sorted, once I add my rice to that pot, I turn down the cooker, bam, to number 2 because I don't want to tolerate any farmer burn. No, the rice, the bottom of my rice must look just like the top. We don't want to burn and we don't want it to stick at the bottom. So here guys, what I'm doing here, I'm just emptying the liquid from my butter bean because I'll be adding butter beans to my oxtail. So I just emptied it out to wash it. I washed it twice. I rinsed it out twice because yeah. So that's me. Putting the water on to open the pressure cooker because sometimes the heat is so much steam. When the steam is coming out, it makes such a loud noise. So what I tend to do, I tend to normally just turn the tap on and let the water help to cool it down. So anyway guys, if you like my channel, remember to like, share and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next bit of the video. Let's watch. guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you like my video, like my cooking. Remember, and if you do, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so the oxtail has done pressured, so it's soft enough to my liking. And that's my rice and peas. That's my rice and peas, nice and shelly. I don't like when my rice and peas is I don't like when my rice and peas is too softy or poto as we would say in Jamaica. I like nice shelly rice and peas. So what I'm doing now, I am just opening the can of butter bean, and I'm taking the water that is on it. I'm pouring the water out that is on it because I'm gonna rinse it. Some people can just put everything in the pot, like, but I don't like doing that. I just like to rinse the butter bean off first, or whatever is in the tin, as long as I can rinse it. I rinse it first, give it a couple rinse, maybe once or twice, and then I'm gonna add it to my pot after that. But yes, I like to wash the butter bean from the tin. I wash other things as well that I purchase in the tin, but this one specifically, butter bean, yes, I wash that one. So I'm gonna be adding this butter bean to the oxtail. So that's the very last ingredients that's left. Everything is gone in it. The pot is nice and seasoned. I have my spinners in there. And guys, as I was telling you, my electric was about to run out, and I don't know where I put my key. I misplaced my electric key, so I wasn't able to go and top up my electric. So made it have to put up some more things on the pressure cooker so that it can cook quick and fast. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching and enjoy. If you enjoy, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And that's my rice and peas and oxtail. Thank you, guys. Bye.